Hello there, welcome to Spaceship Pro. Today we are introducing you how to set up multiple shipping rules to enhance your automation. Creating multiple rules takes it to the next level, ensuring full automation and saving you time on repetitive tasks. Plus, you can click arrow to prioritize shipping rules, ensuring imported orders seamlessly align with your requirements. Now, let's explore how to automate shipment creation by declared value. Here's an example from one of our customers, Amy.
I sell clothes online, and I've got some orders heading to the United States. Some are under $500 and others are over this price. I want to automate the carrier selections based on the shipment value. How can I set up shipping automation for this?
No problem, Amy. You can set up two rules to automate your request. First rule, orders under $500. Set two conditions for route and item value, and two actions for the economy carrier, Spaceship Air, and tax term DAP. Add condition, route, and total value of declared items, less than or equal to $500. For total value of declared item, choose from 5 conditions to match your shipment's request. Additionally, there are multiple currency options to suit your destination countries. Add actions, tax term DAP, and carrier service, Spaceship Air. Click Create. First rule is done. Second rule, orders over $500. Set 2 conditions as first rule, and 3 actions included coverage, Spaceship Care, for high-value shipment this time. Add condition, route, and total value of declared items, greater than $500. Add actions, tax term DDP, and carrier service, UPS for express shipping. And coverage, Spaceship Care for high-value shipment protection. Check your conditions and actions one last time, click Create, and you're all set. Experience error-free shipping automation with Spaceship Pro. See you next time.